Hello students, now this is the last lecture for line in 3D, and in this lecture we will see the two important problems. First problem is find point of intersection of following two lines, line 1 and line 2. Line 1 is given x minus 3 upon 1 is equal to y minus 5 upon 2 is equal to z minus 1 upon minus 1 is equal to lambda, and line 2 is given x minus 4 upon 2 is equal to y minus 2 upon minus 1 is equal to z minus 4 upon 2 is equal to mu, where lambda and mu are two different arbitrary constants. Now for line 1, if you consider now each ratio for line 1 is equal to lambda, therefore when we are considering x minus 3 upon 1 is equal to lambda, you will get x is equal to 1 into lambda plus 3. Y minus 5 upon 2 is equal to lambda gives you y is equal to 2 lambda plus 5, and z minus 1 upon minus 1 is equal to lambda gives you minus lambda plus 1, and that x, y, z is a general point on the line 1, lambda plus 3, 2 lambda plus 5 minus lambda plus 1, and that general point, when it is the point of intersection, then that will be on line 1 as well as on line 2. Now for two lines intersecting at a common point, then x, y, z, that is general point, will satisfy equation number 1 as well as equation number 2, or line 1 as well as line 2. Now considering first two ratios of line 2, we will get x minus 4 upon 2 is equal to y minus 2 upon minus 1, and in that put x is equal to lambda plus 3, y is equal to 2 lambda plus 5. Therefore we are getting lambda plus 3 minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 lambda plus 5 minus 2 divided by minus 1. Therefore lambda minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 lambda plus 3 divided by minus 1, and simplifying we will get lambda is equal to minus 1. Now put this lambda is equal to minus 1 again in the general point, because that general point capital R is actually point of intersection. Therefore we are getting lambda plus 3, 2 lambda plus 5 minus lambda plus 1 is a x, y, z. In place of that lambda minus 1 plus 3, 2 into bracket minus 1 plus 5, and minus of minus 1 plus 1. Therefore point of intersection is 2, 3, 2. Is it understood? That is the procedure to find out the point of intersection of two lines. Now second problem is also quite interesting. P is a point on the line. And line equation is x minus 3 upon 2 is equal to y minus 1 upon minus 1 is equal to z plus 1 upon 2 is equal to lambda. That means 3, 1, minus 1 is a base point. That is a point. And from that A point we have to find P, which is at distance 15. And like that there will be 2 points. One will be on the left hand side of A, another will be right hand side of the A. And that P point position vector we have to find such that the length AP is equal to 15, that is given. Length AP is equal to 15, that is given. Now for line, general coordinate is, or general point is x comma y comma z, that is 2 lambda plus 3 comma lambda minus lambda plus 1, and z coordinate is 2 lambda minus 1, that we are getting from first ratio x coordinate, from second ratio y coordinate, and from third ratio z coordinate. Now that general point is such that distance from A is equal to 15. Therefore using distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square, or x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square plus z1 minus z2 square. On simplifying we are getting root of 9 lambda square is equal to 15, which is given. Therefore plus or minus 3 lambda is equal to 15. That means lambda is plus 5 or lambda is minus 5. For lambda plus 5 we will get 2 lambda plus 3, 1 minus lambda, and 2 lambda minus 1. By putting lambda is equal to plus 5 we get 10 plus 3, 1 minus 5, and 2 into 5 10 minus 1, that is equal to 13 minus 4 9, and the position vector is 13 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 9 k cap. Or when lambda is minus 5, again putting in the 2 lambda plus 3, 1 minus lambda, and 2 lambda minus 1, lambda is equal to minus 5, we will get minus 10 plus 3, 1 plus 5 minus 10, minus 1 is minus 7, 6 and minus 11. So their position vector is minus 7 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 11 k cap. And this P and another P, these are the 2 points on the same line at same distance 15 from point A. One will be on left hand side, second will be on the right hand side on the same line. Such problem